Uninstalling APK files from your Samsung Smart TV.
Welcome to this instructional guide. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to uninstall APK files from your Samsung Smart TV. This can help free up some space and get rid of apps that you no longer need or use.
What is an APK file?
First off, let's quickly discuss what an APK file is. An APK or Android Package Kit is the file format used by the Android operating system for distribution and installation of mobile apps and middleware. In simple terms, it's like the .x files for Windows system.
Why would you need to uninstall an APK file?
You might want to uninstall an APK file from your Samsung Smart TV for several reasons. It could be that the app is no longer useful, it's taking up too much space, or it's causing issues with your TV's performance.
How can you uninstall an APK file?
Now, let's get to the main part, uninstalling an APK file from your Samsung Smart TV. Here are the steps. 1. Open the Settings menu on your Samsung Smart TV. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon on your remote. 2. Next, navigate to the Applications, Apps, or Application Manager section. The name might slightly vary depending on the TV model. 3. Here, you'll see a list of all the installed apps on your TV. Locate the app you wish to uninstall. 4. Once you've found it, click on it to open its options. 5. You will see an option to uninstall or delete. Select it. 6. A confirmation box will appear. Select OK or Confirm to proceed with the uninstallation. And there you have it. The APK file has been removed from your Samsung Smart TV. That concludes our guide on how to uninstall APK files from your Samsung Smart TV. We hope that this video has been helpful. Always remember to only install and uninstall apps that you trust to ensure the optimal performance of your TV. Thanks for watching.